Tan Phu Trung Industrial Zone was established on December 16, 2004 by Northwest Saigon City Development Corporation (SCD) as the investor. The strategic major shareholder of SCD is King Park City Development Holding Corporation (KBC), a leading enterprise in Vietnam's real estate sector, particularly in industrial real estate investment and development. KBC's advantage lies in developing industrial zones combined with urban services. For over 20 years, KBC has been a reliable partner, providing a solid foundation for domestic and foreign investors. KBC continues to expand and develop with 23 industrial zones spread across the country, managing a land fund of over 6,600 hectares for industrial purposes and over 1,400 hectares for urban development. As of now, King Park has attracted over 1,000 foreign investment projects with a total capital of over $20 billion. Tan Phu Trung Industrial Zone in Ho Chi Minh City stands out as one of the largest scale industrial zones, boasting the most robust growth rate among those in the southern region, where King Park is making investments. Tan Phu Trung Industrial Zone is located in Ho Chi Minh City, the largest economic location in the country, serving as a pivotal trading gateway for both Vietnam and Southeast Asia. Investors regularly seek industrial land within this industrial zone to develop manufacturing and business operations, capitalizing on the vibrant trade flow of the primary economic hub in Vietnam. Alongside the advantageous geographical location and economic development area at our industrial zone, we are committed to providing the most favorable conditions for investors to thrive, enhancing asset value for our clients, and fostering a sustainable business community. We pledge to maintain clean, and aesthetically pleasing environments while minimizing waste emissions into the environment. Tan Phu Trung Industrial Zone has leveraged its inherent capabilities, along with the strengths and experiences of strategic shareholders. Today, it stands as a successful and thriving industrial zone, effectively attracting investment in Ho Chi Minh City. At present, Tan Phu Trung Industrial Zone has 121 investors, 124 investment projects, occupancy rate 79%, total attracted investment capital nearly 40,000 billion Vietnam dong or $1.7 billion. In 2023, according to the data from the Management Board of Exporting Processing and Industrial Zones Ho Chi Minh City, HEPZA, the total investment capital attracted to industrial zones in Ho Chi Minh City reached $1,012.26 million, achieving 184.0.5% of the plan. Among them, the investment capital attracted in 2023 by Tan Phu Trung Industrial Zone was $690 million, accounting for 68% of the total investment capital attracted by industrial zones in Ho Chi Minh City. Tan Phu Trung Industrial Zone is strategically located in the northwest of Ho Chi Minh City. Situated right by the front of the National Road 22 in Tan Phu Trung Commune, Cu Chi District, the industrial zone benefits from prime strategic location. This positioning not only provides direct access to the important National Road 22, but also connects to other important transportation routes such as Ring Road 3, Ring Road 4, and the Ho Chi Minh City Moc Bai Expressway, which are key highways to the rest of Vietnam. The distance from Tan Phu Trung Industrial Zone to Ho Chi Minh City Center, 25 kilometers. Tan Son Nhut International Airport, 15 kilometers. Saigon Port, 27 kilometers. Cat Lai Port, 35 kilometers. Moc Bai Border Gate, 44 kilometers. From the beginning, SCD had the goal of becoming a modern, multi-sector industrial production center, prioritizing the attraction of high-tech and clean industries. SCD has been determined to develop Tan Phu Trung Industrial Zone into the modern, clean industrial zone with comprehensive infrastructure. Tan Phu Trung Industrial Zone has a total area of 590 hectares. This includes land for lease, includes industrial land, warehouse land, and service land. Total area 375 hectares. The total area of ready-built factory land is over 20 hectares. Fully legal, complete infrastructure, ready-built factories are considered an optimal solution for investors to quickly and conveniently deploy production. Flexible leasing period, separate premises, a complete fire protection system, comprehensive utility infrastructure of full support services. Residential area. With a total area of 48 hectares, it is aimed at providing housing solutions and a diverse range of service utilities for experts and workers employed at Tan Phu Trung Industrial Zone. The current amenities available, such as residential area for workers and experts, Suin Art General Hospital, Kuchi Golf Course, 200 hectares, International University Urban Area, 880 hectares, Service and Logistics Center, 40 hectares, highways connecting the different provinces and regions, a comprehensive road system meeting national standards, an electric city supply system sourced from the city's power grid, and a 500 kV high voltage transmission line system, clean water supply system, wastewater treatment system, fire protection and security camera system, 24/7 security guard team, greenery system. Tan Phu Trung Industrial Zone borders Long An, Binh Duong, and Tay Ninh Provinces, where lies an abundant labor force to meet the diverse needs of skilled labor across various industries. Investment incentives. Corporate income tax incentives for new investment projects and high-tech enterprises. 0% value-added tax for export-oriented enterprises. Import-export tax incentives in accordance with the provisions of the Import-Export Tax Law. In particular, investors who invest to Tan Phu Trung Industrial Zone will receive comprehensive support services provided by a team of professional and experienced personnel in legal, construction, environmental fields, and more.
Lý do tại sao tôi chọn ở đây thì tôi cũng xem xét nhiều cái khu công nghiệp, và tôi thấy cái khu công nghiệp Tan Phu Trung là nằm trên cái trục lộ quốc lộ 22. Đó cũng là ở bên cạnh là bệnh viện nè, rồi cái đường giao thương của tất cả gần là lân cận những cái khu công nghiệp khác, cũng thuận lợi cho những đối tác của chúng tôi cũng như là khách hàng của chúng tôi đến và đi đặt hàng rất là thuận lợi. Và cũng tương lai thì mình thấy là cũng có rất là nhiều cái trục lộ khác như là cao tốc này nọ cũng đang phát triển gần đây, nên là cái việc mình chọn Tan Phu Trung là đúng với mình.
Yêu cầu thứ nhất đó là vị trí địa lý. Thì khu công nghiệp Tan Phu Trung là nằm một cái vị trí địa lý rất phù hợp trong cái việc mà chúng tôi có thể là tiếp cận với cái chuỗi cung ứng từ phía thành phố Hồ Chí Minh, đi Tây Ninh, đi Bình Dương và đi Đồng Nai. Cái thứ hai đó là về vấn đề là cơ sở hạ tầng. Phải nói rằng là chúng tôi rất hài lòng với cái việc lựa chọn của mình, bởi vì khi mà chúng tôi làm việc với các khách hàng đó thì chúng tôi rất là muốn mình được ở trong một cái môi trường nó xanh sạch đẹp, cơ sở hạ tầng luôn luôn được chăm sóc, có cái gì là phải sửa chữa ngay. Thì cái điều đó, cái bộ mặt của công nghiệp nó dẫn đến cái bộ mặt của doanh nghiệp nữa, và đặc biệt là những doanh nghiệp mà nằm trong chuỗi cung ứng toàn cầu thì phải thường xuyên làm việc với các đối tác nước ngoài. Và nếu như mà khu công nghiệp nó không có sạch sẽ, không có khang trang và không có một môi trường tốt á, thì khách nước ngoài họ cũng không có lựa chọn mình nếu mà họ đi tham quan doanh nghiệp của mình. Cái điểm tiếp mà tôi đã nói là rất quan trọng với chúng tôi là sự hỗ trợ về các thủ tục và những cái vấn đề cần giải quyết khi gặp khó khăn, chúng tôi được đáp ứng rất là tốt.
Logos Vietnam is an investor coming to Vietnam to supply warehouses and distribution centers for global manufacturers and logistics companies. Many of those customers come to Ho Chi Minh City, and inside Ho Chi Minh City we have Tan Phu Trung Industrial Park. Kinbak Corporation is the developer behind Tan Phu Trung. It has big land area that has been good purpose for us to be able to create precincts for our customers, multiple buildings, and high quality support from their infrastructure and utilities. So for us, inside Tan Phu Trung Industrial Park, it's the largest industrial park inside Ho Chi Minh City available for us to come and create modern environments for our global customers.
Tan Phu Trung Industrial Zone has attracted numerous large enterprises, both domestically and internationally, such as Techtronic Industries Vietnam Manufacturing, TTI, BW Industrial, Logos Real Estate Group, the Military Industry and Telecoms Group, Viettel, CP Vietnam Company, Chemgear Company, United Packaging Company under OGI Group, Japan, Vietnam Electricity EVN Group, Anquas Brother Printing Company, Mingmen Printing Company, Yasaki Electric Cable Company, alongside numerous warehousing units of e-commerce platforms and logistics enterprise such as Shopee, Zhaohang Thiet Kim, Best Express, G&T Express and other investors. SCD has established credibility and trust with the local authorities and residents, transforming agricultural land into prosperous industrial zones. Therefore, during the formation and development process, SCD has received support from many localities to establish land funds and attract foreign investment for the locality. Especially, SCD has received significant support from the Ho Chi Minh City People's Committee, Management Board of Exporting Processing and Industrial Zones Ho Chi Minh City, the People's Committee of Cu Chi District, and the People's Committee of Long An Province. As of now, SCD is managing and investing in 1,099.3 hectares of land for the development of industrial zones, resettlement areas, and urban areas. With relentless efforts, in 2023, SCD was awarded a commendation certificate by the Management Board of Exporting Processing and Industrial Zones Ho Chi Minh City for its outstanding achievements in attracting investment to the city's export processing zones and industrial zones in 2023 under Decision Number 8 QDBQL, January 11, 2024. SCD is committed to sustainable development by combining economic growth with ensuring the welfare of workers, promoting social development, and protecting the environment through various practical activities in the areas where it operates, such as sponsorship for the construction of Thiên Hồ Dương High School in Kiên Thương Town, Long An Province, recognized as an outstanding enterprise in organization, construction, and continuous development over many years. Contribution to scholarship funds, charity fund, and participation in social activities in Cu Chi District, regularly contributing funds for the construction of rural transportation infrastructure and carrying out social welfare activities in Tu Quoc District, Long An Province. With the aim of becoming a leading enterprise in Vietnam's industrial real estate sector, SCD is partnering with KPC and Saigon Investment Corporation. SCD is currently developing new industrial zone projects. The Loc San Industrial Zone project, covering an area of 466 hectares, is located in Tu Quoc District, Long An Province. The Phuc Vinh Dong 4 Industrial Cluster project covers an area of 50 hectares and is located in Can Duc District, Long An Province. The Loc San Industrial Zone and Phuc Vinh Dong 4 Industrial Cluster are part of the SCD's expansion strategy, welcoming new investors to develop projects in Long An Province. Tan Phu Trung Industrial Zone, Sustainable Development.